Hi everybody, this is Jerry Gerritsen. We're going to be talking about asylum today and the most important fact to claim asylum. This is often overlooked, and this is where a lot of confusion comes in to asylum with asylum law. So make sure that you stay on this video all the way through. Don't get out early because you'll miss something. Make sure you subscribe and that you like if you like this video. Hi everybody, this is Jerry Gerritsen, Tabia Law. Let me be your guide to the world of immigration. Let me be your partner in this venture that you have as far as becoming a U.S. citizen or getting your green card or just coming here on a visitor visa or coming here to work on an employment or a business visa. Lots to talk about. Of course, there's asylum, there's diversity visas, there's investment visas. So there's a big world of immigration law out there, and let me help you out with that. Today we are going to talk about asylum law. What's asylum? Okay, so asylum is when a person is being persecuted or they have a credible fear of persecution from the government of their country or a government actor, which means the government is using maybe a non-governmental entity to persecute you. And because of that, you're fleeing that country. Now, it has to be on one of the 5 reasons that I'm going to state right now. It has to be because of your race, religion, nationality, your membership in a particular social group, or your political opinion. It has to be one of those 5 reasons that the government is persecuting you. Here's the nexus a lot of people miss, and this is the most important fact that you'll need, okay, as it comes out. I mean, they're all important, but here it is. This is where a lot of people don't get asylum, don't get their, they'll send in their I-589 and they won't get approved, and the reason is because they miss or don't understand this nexus between persecution and one of these 5 items that I just talked about. So here it is. Okay, so listen closely. You may be persecuted by the government for some other reason other than the 5 that I just read off. If that's the case, that's not asylum. And you may say, well, I'm being persecuted and the government's doing it. Yeah, but if they're not persecuting you specifically because of your race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or your political opinion, if it's for some other reason, that's not asylum. You're not going to be able to claim asylum. So this is what a lot of people miss. And this is what you're not going to miss from now on, right? You need both persecution or a credible fear that you're going to be persecuted based on your race or your religion or your nationality, or because you're a part of a particular social group, or because of your political opinion. It has to be one of those. It doesn't have to be all. It just has to be one of those. And so if they are persecuting you, say because you have different political views than the government does, and they are specifically persecuting you, attacking you, or you have a credible fear that they're going to be persecuting you because of your political views, then that's asylum. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Again, if you like this video, please like it right now, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.